Hello friends, welcome to KRK-Law channel. Friends, today we will see question paper and answers of Civil Judge Preliminary Exam 2014. So friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Friends, question number 1 is, in an offence of criminal breach of trust by public servant, the period of limitation for taking cognizance can be condoned by none of the above. Question number 2. Stolen property seized by police can be returned by. The answer is police officer who had seized it. Question number 3. If a convicted person is sentenced again, general rule is that both the sentences will run. The answer is one after the other. Question number 4. If the court of JMFC has imposed sentence of fine of ₹75 only, an appeal may lie with the permission of. The answer is none of the above. Question number 5. If a woman sentenced to death is found pregnant, the execution of the sentence can be postponed by. The answer is by High Court. Question number 6. Offence under section 498A of IPC is compoundable. The answer is none of the above. Question number 7. After the transfer of magistrate trial of an offence under section 138 of NI Act, the answer is to be conducted afresh by the new magistrate. Question number 8. Prior to issuance of summons to accused, the answer is notice is not required to be issued to the accused. Question number 9. Police can investigate non-cognizable offence. The answer is with the permission of court. Question number 10. Cognizable offence means. The answer is where police may arrest the accused without warrant. Question number 11. In a money decree, the answer is amount is sent to decree holder by money order. Question number 12. If the suit is dismissed due to default of the plaintiff and if there is subsequent suit between same parties, then decision in the first suit, the answer is does not amount to res judicata. Question number 13. In a money suit, the court can award. The answer is all of the above, means the interest during pendency of suit, the interest from the date of decision of suit till realization, and interest prior to institution of the suit. Question number 14 is cancelled. Question number 15. Issue is required to be framed for. The answer is every material fact affirmed and denied by the parties. Question number 16. Defendant has got right to begin as and when. The answer is the defendant has taken any special defense. Question number 17. Decree for restitution of decree may be executed by. The answer is attachment of property of judgment debtor. Question number 18. Commissioner may be appointed for. The answer is any of the above, means examination of witnesses, local inspection and taking accounts. Question number 19. Subsistence allowance is an amount which. The answer is deposited by the decree holder in the court if judgment debtor is to be sent to civil prison. Question number 20. Filing of an appeal. The answer is will amount to stay only when it is granted by appellate court. Question number 21. Wife can be compelled to disclose communication with her husband. The answer is in a case between husband and wife. Question number 22. A found in possession of stolen car after the theft, court may presume that. The answer is A is a thief. Question number 23. When sword used for murder is produced in the court, it is. The answer is oral evidence as to existence or condition of sword. Question number 24. If a girl is begotten during 7 months and after dissolution of marriage, wife remains unmarried, it is a conclusive proof that. The answer is the girl is legitimate daughter of that man. Question number 25. Registered will may be proved by examining. The answer is the attesting witness. Question number 26 is cancelled. Question number 27. Hearsay evidence is. The answer is admissible in certain contingencies. Question number 28. A saw B running away along with blood-stained knife is. The answer is admissible as an evidence of conduct against B. Question number 29. Raju sues Kiran for rupees 38,000. Entry in books of accounts of Raju amounts to. The answer is relevant. Question number 30. Court may presume abatement of suicide if married woman commits suicide within. The answer is 7 years of marriage. Question number 31. The following property can be transferred. The answer is land valuing less than rupees 100. Question number 32. Raju transfers land to Praveen on a condition that Praveen shall marry with the consent of Usha and Pramila. Praveen is deemed to fulfill the condition when. The answer is Pramila died and Usha consented. Question number 33. A lets B land at rent to rupees 500 and then transfers the land to C. B, not having notice of transfer, in good faith pays the rent to A. Then the answer is rent is not recoverable from B. Question number 34. Specific performance suit is pending between purchaser Sridhar and vendor Ganesh. Ganesh sold the property to Rajesh. This transaction is held by the principle of. The answer is lease pendants. Question number 35. Kaushik agreed to repay and transferred mortgaged land in favor of Vinayak. Vinayak assures to reconvey land in case Kaushik repays the entire amount to Vinayak. This mortgage is called as. The answer is English mortgage. Question number 36. The right of the mortgager who repays the entire amount after the principal money has become due is called as right of. The answer is redemption. Question number 37. Difference between charge and mortgage is that. The answer is charge is not transfer of interest whereas mortgage is transfer of interest. Question number 38. Lease of immovable property for manufacturing purposes is determinable by giving notice of. The answer is 6 months. Question number 39. Pankaj gave his flat to Mukund and Mukund gave his flat to Pankaj. It is called as. The answer is exchange. Question number 40. The transfer of movable property is governed by which provision of Transfer of Property Act? The answer is gift. Question number 41. Temporary injunction is granted. The answer is during pendency of the suit. Question number 42. If the suit for specific performance is dismissed, then the answer is all are incorrect. Question number 43. After the trial of suit for specific performance has started, the answer is amendment of plaint incorporating prayer for compensation can be allowed. Question number 44. A, not the owner of car, agrees to sell the same to B. B fails to pay the amount. Suit for specific performance of the agreement will be governed by. The answer is Specific Relief Act. Question number 45. What is the period of limitation for filing suit for recovery of possession of immovable property if there is dispossession not as per law? The answer is 6 months. Question number 46. For construction of public hospital, the answer is suit for specific performance cannot be filed. Question number 47. In a suit for specific performance of contract, the answer is all are incorrect. Question number 48. Specific performance against transferor with notice of earlier transaction pending suit. The answer is can be granted. Question number 49. Suit for specific performance to construct theatre. The answer is can be decreed. Question number 50. For the business of the firm, partner is. The answer is agent of the firm. Question number 51. Landlord cannot claim possession of business premises. The answer is for occupation by himself. Question number 52. No decree of eviction on the ground of arrears of rent can be passed if the tenant pays or tenders in court arrears. The answer is within 90 days from the date of service of summons. Question number 53. Provisions of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act are not applicable to premises belonging to. The answer is government. Question number 54. Monthly rent or yearly rent is recovered as per. The answer is British calendar. Question number 55. Tenant can undergo tenantable repairs by giving landlord. The answer is 15 days notice. Question number 56. If the landlord cuts the water without just cause, he is liable for punishment for. The answer is 3 months and or fine of rupees 1000 or both. Question number 57. If the decree is passed by Court of Small Causes, Bombay, appeal lies with. The answer is bench of 2 judges of Court of Small Causes, Bombay. Question number 58. If business premises are given on license basis, jurisdiction lies with. The answer is civil court. Question number 59. Landlord cannot increase the rent. The answer is as per his own choice. Question number 60. An appeal against the decision of appellate decree in eviction decree lies with. The answer is none of the above. Question number 61. In an ordinary course, suit is deemed to be instituted. The answer is when the plaintiff is presented to the proper officer. Question number 62. Period of limitation for filing cross objection is prescribed under. The answer is none of the above. Question number 63. For computing the period of limitation for preparing an appeal, the following periods are not excluded. The answer is the period in between date of judgment and date of applying certified copy. Question number 64. The period of limitation for filing suit can be condoned by. The answer is none of the above. Question number 65 is cancelled. Question number 66. If borrower acknowledges the liability before expiry of the period of limitation of suit, it amounts to. The answer is extending the period of limitation for suit. Question number 67. The period of limitation for filing suit for recovery of possession on the basis of previous possession is. The answer is 12 years. Question number 68. Period of limitation for filing an execution application for decree for mandatory injunction is. The answer is 3 years. Question number 69. Period of limitation for filing criminal revision is. The answer is 90 days. Question number 70. Period of limitation for filing writ petition in High Court is. Answer is none of the above. Question number 71. Inserting section 228A, disclosure of identity of prey victim in IPC is in conformity with the provisions of. The answer is Article 19. Question number 72. In a criminal trial, when the accused gives evidence on oath, it is in violation of. The answer is none of the above. Question number 73. Powers conferred on Supreme Court as per clause 1 and 2 to Article 32 can be bestowed on the Court of Civil Judge Junior Division by. The answer is Parliament. Question number 74. Denying free legal aid is. The answer is violation of directive principles. Question number 75. Election of president is by way of. The answer is indirect election. Question number 76. Original jurisdiction of Supreme Court includes. The answer is none of the above. Question number 77. Normal duration of the Legislative Assembly is. The answer is 5 years. Question number 78. Judge of the High Court is appointed by. The answer is President. Question number 79. Emergency may be proclaimed by. The answer is President of India. Question number 80. Appointment of a district judge is made by the governor in consultation with. The answer is High Court. Question number 81. Raju says that Praveen is an honest man. He never steals t-shirts from mall, intending to cause to believe that Praveen always steals from the mall. What offense Raju has committed? The answer is defamation. Question number 82. A had a sexual intercourse with B, who is a wife of C, a male, without consent of C, but with the consent of B. What offense A had committed? The answer is adultery. Question number 83. A and B are joint owners of bullock cart. B takes the bullock cart out of possession of A. What offence B has committed? The answer is none of the above. Question number 84. While committing theft, A, B, C, D and E have committed murder of Z. Which offence they have committed? The answer is dacoity with murder. Question number 85. If there is severe body pain for continuous 15 days to R due to beating by P with a stick, under which section an offence under IPC P has committed? The answer is under section 324 of IPC. Question number 8. Question number 86. A owner of dairy adulterates milk and sells to general public. Which offence is committed by A? The answer is only under section 272 of IPC. Question number 87. If a police officer commits rape of a female accused in his custody and journalist publishes the name of rape victim, whether the journalist has committed any offence? The answer is under section 228 of IPC. Question number 88. If judgment debtor knows that there is a decree for possession against him and he raises the bailiff in executing the decree, whether the judgment debtor has committed any offence? The answer is yes, under section 183 of IPC. Question number 89. When two persons are fighting in a room, what offence have both committed? The answer is none of the above. Question number 90. The principle of vicarious liability is not applicable in a criminal trial. The answer is not true. Question number 91. Raju agrees to pay rupees 66,333 to Bhushan and Bhushan agrees to sell furniture of teak wood and brown sugar. Then the answer is entire agreement is void. Question number 92. Famous coconut oil manufacturing company agrees to sell 5,000 liters of coconut oil. Such an agreement is? The answer is void. Question number 93. Mohan owes an amount to Meenakshi. Mohan authorizes to sell the land belonging to him and authorizes her to appropriate her dues from the sale proceeds. The answer is authority cannot be terminated. Question number 94. Mandar borrows rupees 17,000 from Suresh and gives bond for rupees 34,000 payable in 4 installments of rupees 8,500 each. There is stipulation that in case of default of payment of any installment, whole amount shall become payable. Such an agreement is? The answer is stipulation is by way of penalty. Question number 95. Kanta says tires to Pankaj and tires were dispatched for delivery. Kanta came to know that Pankaj is declared insolvent by Honorable High Court. Kanta has not received payment. Kanta told the transporter not to give delivery. The answer is Kanta is justified to do the same. Question number 96 and 97 are cancelled. Question number 98. Saheli Garment Exporter Firm is an unregistered firm having its office at Srinagar. State of Jammu and Kashmir filed a suit for recovery of unpaid price. Such a suit is? The answer is maintainable. Question number 99. License to manufacture car granted in the name of partnership firm is cancelled. Dissolution of the firm is called as? The answer is compulsory. Question number 100. The following contracts can be specifically enforced. The answer is compensation is not adequate relief. Thank you.